circus buzzed like a living machine. Ropes creaked overhead. Performers rushed in flashes of colour. Backstage, Mark checked safety lines. Another last-minute change, another rushed adjustment. Across the tent, Carlo laughed it off with charm. Mark approached him, tense. He pointed to the rigging, the schedule, the mounting chaos. Carlo smiled, brushing it aside, confident everything would work out. Something inside Mark snapped. Angered, he slammed into a wooden crate. The sound silenced the tent. Mark looked at the tangled ropes, the hurried crew. This was not creativity, it was risk. He carried the responsibility for everyone's safety. And he refused to let poor planning turn into tragedy. Carlo's expression shifted. The charm faded.
You're right,
He said calmly.
I should have noticed sooner. Let's organize better. Let's do things properly.
Then he opened his lunchbox. Steam rose from bright red spaghetti pomodoro. He offered some. Mark shook his head and unwrapped his tuna sandwich. They sat down next to each other to eat. Different meals. Same team. On the other side of conflict, there's connection and often better performance.